Oh wait, why? Okay, we're live, and we are here
We're
today.
alive.
We're live. We are live, and we are so. It is so exciting today to be live on a Friday during the day.
Oh yeah,
Um,
because tonight, man, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go do some Halloween type things.
really,
Yeah, gonna go to Land of Illusion later, but I got somebody coming to my haunt. Normally we're only open on Saturdays, but some dude wants to see it tonight. So
somebody's coming to your haunt. Yeah,
yeah, a guy I've known a long time. He runs the Ohio Haunters Association.
really.
Yeah. All right, let's roll that intro.
Oh, you want to do this? Like you're ready to go.
I'm
I'm,
ready
I'm
to
still
go,
just I'm
man.
still just working, dude.
I'm ready to go.
Um, I'm ready. Hmm.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Euro HUF. Is that
I don't know.
oh, it's hitting the resistance line there.
Well,
So I guess since it's daytime, I guess your method seems to whoa, that's crazy. Look at the AED CNY.
AEDC and Y.
Yeah, look at it just kind of going back and forth here and this channel's just going up and down.
That's just total consolidation. That's whack, dude. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
and that's what I'm saying. It's just zigzagging. Like
This is what I just looked at. What did I trade on? I traded on Euro NZD. It was actually in a really good spot when I traded. Let me see if it broke through. Okay, no, it didn't. I traded right here. You see this blue line? It popped over this blue line, and I took a call right here and won right here before it kind of came back. But now it's kind of out of there. It's out of whack now.
yeah.
But this is weird, dude. Look at this. Bounces, 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 goes through, come down, then it starts bouncing off the top of that line. I don't understand stock prices. I mean, I've done a lot of analysis, but I don't understand why, like in a downward channel, the top can become the bottom. Now it's the bottom of this channel. See, it's still going down, but it's like, I didn't understand that, dude. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you though that we just need to find a good trade. We what a $44 trade.
It's $44.
So let me know that's
Yeah,
two
I would like to
sideways
win two in a row so we can actually get,
in the profit.
in the profit here.
Freaking finally, yeah. Oh yeah, this one might be good. Euro GB. What is this at 90? Let's see.
What do you think of CAD JPY?
I don't know.
It's
Look at
kind of
it
out
here.
of the. I don't know.
I think this
It's
is gonna turn around and go up. So I think
what?
we're
Which
gonna.
one?
What is this? USD GD USD what? USD EGP. I don't even know what that is. Is it even
USD EG.
EGP? Oh, it's 76%. Dang it.
Yeah, I was gonna say
But
because
I'm
I'm
still gonna watch that one because it's got like a massive consolidation. What'd you say? What do you want me to look at? Euro.
no
G-
CAD JPY. It's consolidating right now, but it's like broken out of a. So I was just wondering which way it's gonna take off, but I mean,
oh yeah, this is actually not a bad rectangle to kind of keep an eye on right here. So it kind of went like this, and when it breaks, it's probably gonna go. When it breaks out of that, it broke over at one time.
yeah. What?
That's actually not a bad. Let me look at it in 10 minutes and see where I think it's going. So my assumption is,
I've got
ooh,
2 minutes on the clock. I don't know what length of trades
yeah,
you're thinking.
my assumption is this is going to break out and go up. So let's see, because it is an uptrend. I think it's going to go this way. That's my assumption. So I'm going to put my assumption. I like to mark my assumptions. My assumption is this is going up. From the breakout, it's going to go up. That means in 10 minutes, look at it in 10 minutes. See, you kind of hit that bottom, and
Yeah,
then it's going up. Now there is a really strong line of support and resistance right
right
here.
there that it's at now currently.
Yeah, this is a big, like, sort of black. When I do black, then I'm talking about 10-minute lines. So let's go back into 1 minute and see what that looks like. Okay, so yeah, that's a
Oh, that's what
black.
it's bouncing on, but it's over the line.
Yeah, it's a black. That line is sort of a strong support line. So I think it's going to break up from here. So like it went up, it sort of struggled. And if it breaks out of here, then I think it's going to go up and keep
There's a
going.
lot of in this current 1 minute candle, it's a lot of down pressure, but it's also been going. It's been
Yeah.
flip flopping. So
It's been flip flopping, so we won't know until it just breaks completely out of this green box. Really, I mean, we can watch it. In fact, I'll put a marker right here in case it gets back to the top of there, or I'll put a marker on here on the bottom. So if it goes outside of this box, it's going to alert me, so I don't have to watch it anymore. This one's out of only 79%. Well, that one was interesting. That was interesting. I'm going to see if there's anything that looks... Oh, that looks interesting. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Oh. Did we already play the intro? Yeah,
we did. Yeah.
This one right here is kind of interesting. This has got some pretty big lines. It's got a line right here.
Another one that's kind of set up in a box right now is odd NZD. Now, I think it's going to break downward, but it looks like it could be headed there now. I don't know.
It's in a lower box. Let's see. That's in 10 minutes. Oh, in 1 minute. Yeah. This one, yeah. This has got...
But I think it's going to hit down there, and it's probably going to do it pretty soon. And then actually when it hits there, it's probably going to switch back because it's going to be an RSI touch when it does.
Yeah, look at it. That's a really low line. If it goes down to that line, then we could probably take a call. But it's almost there now.
Yeah.
Dude, crap, it's almost there.
What time frame would you look at? 1 or 2 minutes?
Like I would take a 5-minute call or something from down here. CAD JPY. Hold on. Oh, this is going out. Okay, this is going out of the top. CAD JPY is breaking the top now. Okay, it's breaking the top. Not quite, but it's almost there. Let's watch and see. CAD JPY.
Okay, that's about to hit. On NZD is about to hit now. So do you want to take it, or do you think it's going to keep breaking through there? Is that a big line?
If I took it down here, I'd wait till it gets... Yeah, it's a big line.
What about the other one, though? The one
CAD JPY is... Hold on, I'm watching CAD JPY because it's about to break out. It broke out, but then it retracted. That's dangerous. I don't like that.
Yeah.
Odd NZD might be the way to go.
Odd NZD, though, is already... It's already...
Yeah, it burned... It got
it
close enough. It
didn't even hit the line.
Yeah, it got close enough, and then it turned around. All right, that's okay.
Thought you didn't like 5-minute trades.
Well, on that kind of crap I do. Okay, so this one right here. Let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah. Man, I would go to CAD JPY. I believe CAD JPY is about to break. It broke, and then it came back down. It touched the bottom line again. Now it's going straight up. Get ready for like a 2 minute. Get ready for like a 1 minute call.
1 minute?
I don't know. You can do 2. It's probably because it's going to go out of there. It's going to go out of there. It's probably going to go. I just need to wait and see if it really goes because it hasn't gone yet.
Yeah.
You see, it went and then it shot all the way back down. In the 1 minute candles, it shot all the way back down to that black line. Now it's on the top side again. It's going to break out of here, and then as soon as it does, if we really think it's going to break out of here, then we can take like a 1 minute call, 2 minute call.
1 or 2. There's a big difference. It's hitting the top of that wick.
Probably a 1 minute because we don't want it to go up and then turn around and come back, shoot back down. I would do 1 minute. If we're going to break this one out, if this one breaks out pretty hard.
Well, it's hitting the top of that green wick, one of the earlier ones.
Yeah, it's this right here.
It's not breaking that. Now it's starting to.
It's actually got to break away from it. Right now it's not breaking away from it.
It just did.
It did now.
But it's also about to have an RSI touch, so it's gutsy.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's gutsy because it can come back.
Yeah, because it's...
See? But look, it's built pressure. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not totally married to this yet because my confirmation isn't quite there yet. It still seems like it wants to be. Because
it's still bouncing back and forth.
It still wants to be a lot of consolidation, you know?
Yeah.
It's got this line right here.
Because it just... Yeah, because this candle's not going up. It's not got the pressure. It's just slow. Now, it could bounce back, but
yeah, it could go all the way back down, but it's at the high level now. It's just wait and watch it. Yeah, that's dangerous right there. It broke out, but then it didn't really go right. We should have taken a call when it hit down at this black line. See, it hit that red
Yeah.
wick. That would have been perfect because we know it has like.
I think
up
the next
there.
candle on it though is going to be green, but I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, you could probably take a 1 minute call at the end of this candle, to be honest with you, because I think it's gonna go up. Yeah, especially if it dips down, you could take this 1 minute.
There we go. I'm in.
All right, good. No, that's good because I think that it broke away from this. I really think it's gonna go.
I think it will.
As long as it doesn't get back under here, it needs to. Oh crap!
Yeah, that's not looking good, is it?
No, looks terrible. But it needs to shoot back up, and it might. We only got a 1 minute in there. Okay, so it might shoot back up, but that's fine. It broke out of the thing. It could be a false breakout, dude. You sucker! Come on. Why is it slow? It slowed down so much. Oh, you son of a gun!
Dang it. Well, that was fun while it lasted. What I thought it was going to do was a big candle, a little bit of pullback, and then keep going up.
Yeah, 18 seconds. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's just out.
Well, this was a good trading day.
But 10 seconds. Hold on.
I told you you're going to win that trade on your own, and then now we are looking.
Well, that's totally a different. Oh man, look at that.
Okay. Well, that was fun. Okay. Well, that was that. Okay. Well, happy Friday, everybody. We'll see you again.
What? That's it? You just want to lose and be done? We have to.
We have to. That's our
freaking mad, dude. It makes me freaking mad because that was a breakout, dude. That right there, that was such a fake breakout too. But usually it does. I had a gut feeling back here on this one. See, look at it. I mean, I had this feeling right here that this was the line to trade on because I'm like, it can't get below this line. It kept trying.
Yeah.
That was more dangerous, but still fairly good. So, yeah. See, if we would have taken a 2 minute, we would have won because it's above it now.
Yeah.
Took it there. Boom. One. Yeah. I don't like one. Here's my deal.
You're the one that told me to take a one.
I know. I'm not saying anything about you. I'm saying I don't like. Well, let's see.
I take 1 minute in a when I know it's going to be a quick swing. That's when I take a 1 minute.
I just feel like
this could have lost. Though
it could have. It could have. Depends on when you took it.
It's still consolidating.
Yeah, but it lost. This candle lost, and then that candle would have won. It ended above.
It might have tied, actually.
No, because you took it right there. You took it right there. Boom, and then it went down, and then it went up, and it ended up there. It ended above. It ended above our line. Yeah. But I'm just saying, dude. I don't like 1 minute trades at all. So I think if you ever ask me again, 1 or 2, I'm going to say 2 because our assumption was right. It's breaking higher.
Well,
and it's going out of this
both are good for different reasons. It depends on the circumstances. In this case, 2 probably was a better option.
Even 3 or 4 because it's going higher and higher, but it's also consolidating. But
also consolidating. This wasn't the breakout we thought it would be.
No, it wasn't.
1 minutes are good if you have a powerful RSI touch that's been in a big climb that's been quick.
Well, yeah, for that 1 minutes are right. I mean, if it's meeting all the criteria, this one was not.
I mean, you tend to throw the baby out with the bathwater. Like if you lose a 1 minute trade, then you're like, I don't like, but then we've won a lot of 1 minute trades.
Look at this freaking thing. It broke out, retracted, then just slammed
out
of there.
What's that?
Well, that's... Oh, did this get to 99% again? No. What's this one? Oh, this one did go up to 92.
What?
No, that's not the one. What's the one I'm talking about that went up and then dropped out of there? I closed it. I think that was just a 30-second view of... Yeah, no, I don't know. This isn't going where I thought. This is stuck, unfortunately.
Which one? Odd NZD?
Just the one we lost on.
CAD JPY?
Are we just going to argue like old men all the time on this show?
No.
I mean, did you think that was a good trade? Did you think it was going?
I mean, in your method, I was kind of granting you your method here because that, to me, I don't take like breakout trades. I don't look for breakouts like that. That's your method. But like, okay, odd CHF, for example, look at this. This is about to be an RSI touch. I do see a point where it's going to hit. Okay, so way back, there's right there, that top. You see that top up there, right there. Yep,
Uh-huh.
there you go. Okay, when that hits that, that is a 1 minute put right there. And if it hits it with a lot of force and an RSI touch, that is a perfect 1 minute put. Just because that's my method right there. So when that hits that, okay, that is a 1 minute put, and it would win, I think, and most likely, as long as it, as long as it
hits it. But look, 30-second RSI is already well touched.
Yeah.
So some days those RSI touches happen early.
They do.
Like the
1 minute. And if it doesn't, then I wouldn't take it. I mean, that's the thing. You're looking for.
That's why I don't like RSI touches. Okay, because you don't know.
It's multiple things. It's the resistance.
Well, I guess
line,
yeah. I mean this line right here is pretty solid. So it didn't. But it didn't get up there quite enough.
Then it's burnt.
Now, if you would have jumped it, it probably would have jumped over. Because it does that too. But now it's burned. I don't like them. But had that jumped right up there, I think you're right.
If it had hit that, okay, then it would have dropped immediately. So that would have been
this one's all over the place.
A put on that, but
it just makes me mad. No, I don't want to get mad, dude. I don't want to get mad because it's not a big deal. The thing is our method we have to stay intact, or we are never going to win. So we just take our trade, we take our loss. Tomorrow, Monday, we're gonna come in, we're gonna have a martingale trade, and then we're gonna win like 3 or 4 trades. We're gonna be good.
Exactly.
If not, we'll lose one trade and be done. I mean that's the only way this works, dude. And I'm not gonna stress out about it. Are you?
No.
I mean,
no, you seem way more flustered than me.
I'm frustrated because I just want to win, and it's my emotions, and that's why this is a good plan. Because
if you're flustered, that's emotions. That's
right. Because I was getting ready to tell you, let's just do another trade, but that's exactly what we cannot do. We cannot break any rules, because in 30 days from now, dude, if we don't break any rules, okay, here's what I'm thinking: if we don't break any rules for 30 days, and we still only have like $30 profit or something, then we're gonna have to go like, okay, let's.
Yeah, then we can make some changes. But
right now, I think that we just have to trust the process, because we don't want to get to where if we took another trade and lost it, then Monday, we'd be psychologically, we'd be on a, we'd be like, oh crap, we don't want to feel like we're behind and we have to catch up. We don't want to feel like we've done something that. I think the rules are the only thing that matters. I don't even think winning matters. I don't think it even matters if we win or lose, because we're going to win and we're going to lose, but the rules will keep us in the profit. That's kind of what it is. Losing is not a big deal.
So, okay, Odd USD, I want you to take a fake 1 minute call on that. Odd USD.
When it hits there?
When it hits that line, right about, because it's an RSI touch, and it's really about now. I mean, but it could go down further, but I think now was that time, because that was the RSI touch. So, anywhere.
I took $1. I took a real trade, but it was $1. So
okay, well, anywhere in there.
Yeah.
You took a 1 minute call.
I mean,
you took it though. Yeah, you took it about the right place.
Yeah, I took it right when you said, and I mean it was right at the end of the candle.
That's right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's more where I would be comfortable taking real trades.
Well, why don't we solidify our strategy then too? Because what we're doing.
Because I was thinking, okay, well, it's daytime. We'll just go with whatever strategy.
That's why we lose together, because you have your idea, I have my idea, and then we both sit there and like, well, I guess if you think that's a good trade, then I guess so.
See, that's going to win for you.
Well, I mean, it's a.
But look, you see, it had all the right things. It had the RSI touch confirmed with the.
Big bounces off that line.
Right. And it was a good downtrend there, a good downfall, and then boom. Yeah, I mean, that's my strategy right there. It's perfect turnarounds like that. You're looking for multiple things. You're looking for a solid, line, either push down or push up. Okay, it's been a whole lot of
let's solidify this, dude. Yeah, let's solidify our show, because we can't be coming in here.
We used to only take 1 minute trades and every night, and that's what we did. We looked for waterfalls or RSI touches, like that. We did either that or waterfalls. That's all we ever did.
Yeah.
And we did them in 1 minute.
That was a huge win, dude. That was massive.
Yeah. And that was my strategy right there.
I'm nervous about that strategy, but I mean, and you're talking about 30-minute candles, because I would look at that in 30 seconds and I would think the same thing. It hit an RSI touch right there. I'm really looking at that line and looking at the RSI. It was in line.
Yeah.
I mean, I did 30-second RSI touches like forever, so I'm fairly versed in that. If we do that only, then we'll probably be fine, because by odds we can't do like two of mine and then we do one of yours and then we do one of mine and then we lose a bunch of trades being stupid, and then we're like down to a fourth trade. We need to go, no, we're looking for really strong levels. We're looking for, are you looking for, because when I did RSI touches, I did 30-second candles and I think 2-minute trades, but that I don't think we need that long. I mean, that's Christian's method. Remember, he did 30-second candles and he did 2-minute trades. And that always helped if he overdid it, or if it kind of went through one candle and then it went back up, because I've done that a lot. This might have gone down one more candle and then shot up.
But sometimes you only get one candle.
Well, that's true. But
And
you have to, the only problem with that is you got to be dead on. Like, that was textbook, like, perfection. That was like hit the line, moved up. You know, we just knew that well, and that was a big red candle, so that gave us a clue.
Now, what we could do, since we are still at the very early beginning of this whole process, no wins to our name here. You know, I am okay with taking one more $44 trade and just, I mean, it's $44. So essentially we're down 2 trades, but I mean, in the grand scheme of our whole accounts.
Well, what would that do? That wouldn't help us anything. That would just get us up one trade. The next trade we take is a $99 trade and it gets us all our money back.
Well, then we could take that one trade. I mean, I now that we've solidified a method for the show, and we're not just, well, you think this is good? Do you think instead of trying to appease each other with a trade that we're both comfortable with, let's just solidify that that's our method. That's what we're looking for here. And let's go find one and let's do it and win it. And then, and just make one exception, because,
well, if we lose it, then our next day when we come back, we'll be on like a $200 and some trade.
Yeah.
I mean,
that's why I said we could just leave $44, leave the 1 or 2 trades in the grand scheme of things. They ain't going to make that.
Yeah, we could leave that one on the table, I guess.
Go back to a 44 and just say, okay, we've won it, whatever. I mean, and just consider our accounts current right now, like as though we haven't lost anything. I'm okay with that, because $44 is not going to break either one of them.
Thursday at 10:35. No,
so we could ignore that trade and say, okay, this next trade, this is our trade. When we win it, we now have our money back, even though technically we're still out $44.
Right.
I mean, I'm okay with that, because
why?
Well, because it's $44.
It would be safer than going to a $99 trade.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Now that we have a method that we know we can both look at and say, okay.
Well, I mean, that method would work. I mean, this method that
if we have determined we're doing 1 minute snipe, because we're all over the place. 1 minute, you want a 2 minute, let's go 5. I mean, it's like, if we're doing that, I mean, we're just, by odds, we're
we're kind of mixing up the odds a little bit.
Mixing up the odds. I mean,
if we're looking for RSI turnarounds and we're looking for 1 minute snipe trades every day, then
that's what we did for 45 days of our show before. That worked. I mean, it worked. And
we did waterfalls though.
We did waterfalls. Yeah. I mean, we said, okay, this is.
Well, waterfalls would work too. I mean, here's the thing.
Either one of those, yes. I'm good with either. If we look and see an opportunity, like, okay, I think the next candle, there's been 2 reds so far. I think the next one's going to be. That's what we did.
If it's going up to a white line and it's already had 2 candles and it's got a little ways to go, just take one more.
One more, and we hope for that next one to be the same color, and boom, we win. We did that all the time, and it won. I mean, we won so many trades doing that.
Remember that strategy you had that you waited till it hit a white line and just took 1 minute like that right there? hit
Like
that white line, you would have won that one too.
which
Remember
one?
you had the white line strategy?
Yeah.
See that right there? Hit a white line and then just bounce.
Yeah.
At least you did that one for a long time, and actually you were like, that one could work. Because it's sort of like, well, crap, but look at that. That's kind of like, well, still, that's still going to win in 5 seconds if it doesn't go over there. It's funny how, like you said, at the end of the candle, it does something weird. It shoots there. See,
Yeah.
that would have won.
Yeah.
And then it shoots up there like crap.
Right. Because these little micro resistance points and stuff actually matter. Another one, odd CHF. Look at this one. There's a candle wick way back in the distance, right there. That's it right there. Yep. And look at that line about to hit it right now. So
but that's RSI is way out of whack.
Yeah. This is a micro. I wouldn't take this as a strategy, but most likely at the end of this candle, that will probably, the next candle by my guess will probably be a red candle. Just because I think now, unless it blows through, if it blows,
I think it's blowing through, and I think it's going to that next
then
level.
it's going to that next level, and there would be
this would be an RSI. If it RSI touches right there, just take a $99 trade. Just take our trade. I mean, I don't know if it RSI touches. It has hit that one time. It hit there and shot down. It hit there, shot down. If it goes up there and RSI touches again, it's probably gonna do it. This chart is doing that. Is that a solid line? I mean, I can't look. Well, yeah, look at this. I mean, well, in the 10-minute, it's all over, but it doesn't in the 10 minute.
Show me the 1 minute.
In the 1 minute, it's a very solid line. In the 1 minute, this is a pretty solid line right there.
Mm-hmm.
Like you were right though, it hit that line and it went above it, but look, it did pull back.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting right there. Yeah. I was expecting some resistance right there because it's just a micro level. I mean, yeah, it might blow through it, but ultimately it hit that and it had some resistance to it. Now I do think that if it continues with all green candles all the way up to that top there, then that's where it's going to hit and say no, and it's going to give us
just for a minute though. It'll just hit there and just like it'll just pull back. May not be a turnaround like I've been looking for, but like right there, what it would be this is weird because it's green and red. There's like 2 levels, but probably like right here. I'll just split the difference. Just right at that point. Oh, look at it, dude. Get ready for a $99 1 minute trade. If it RSI touches, well, that's in 30 seconds. So here's the 1 minute. It's weird because the 30 second is getting kind of bouncy, but yeah, that's a pretty strong level.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was a micro level too. See that it bounced right off that right there. See that? It bounced off there, like totally bounced off there. So it is obeying micro levels right now. It's going. Oh, that's a level. I'll bounce down, but not for long. When it hits
that one, that's a major level. It's going to hit that, and then I mean, historically, the RSI has not blown through. If you look back at the RSI,
in the 1 minute, it hasn't.
No. So I think it's a good calculation.
Yeah, you might as well just take the full 99. If we're going to take another trade, just take it.
If it goes there,
if it loses, we can't get emotional. We'll just come back Tuesday and we'll do another
take our next trade. Okay, so
we have money. I have money in there. I ain't worried about it.
Yeah, I mean, we'll be okay. So if it gets there,
it's not there yet, but it's going to shoot up there. It might shoot it. There it is, right there. There. That was like the most.
No, I didn't take it at the. Yeah. I didn't take the close but
don't worry about it. Yeah, the close, it ain't gonna close up there. I don't like closing trades because it jumped up there at that second. Now, what is it gonna do if you would have waited? What's it gonna do here? It's gonna get
the RSI still hasn't actually touched, but
that's an RSI touch of all RSI. That's an RSI motherload touch in the 30 second. I mean, it just touched right now. Okay, so now it's wanting to break through. It's got 1 second. It's got 25 seconds. Hopefully it doesn't pull this out like a whatever this is called, like a resistance level, or break it. There, it's 15 seconds. 10-second candles. Come on, baby, go back down.
Go down.
8 seconds there. It's popping. That level's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Oh, yes, got it. Yes, baby.
Yes. Baby. Hoo. That was insane. Holy.
I need to go
Oh
put on
my.
a clean pair of underwear real quick.
Oh my gosh, dude. That was insane. Now, if
Yeah,
you had waited till the end of the candle,
we would. Well, let's see what would have happened.
the end of the candle would have been where?
We would have right there. We would have won, but it would have been close. But it was close anyway.
Well, look at the line, dude. It bopped that. It touched. It went way above that line.
Went above it. Yeah. So I got the candle right at its peak. So
I mean, you got that, dude. That was a good entry. But that's what you have to do.
and that was the
Uh,
last minute. I mean, like
all
down
right,
to
all right. Let's take a quick break in terms of our screen share. Let me share our strategy page with us. Oh crap! That dude that did have me that had me feeling pretty like
I was nervous. I was nervous.
I was real nervous, dude. Like
But-
that's an
But
understatement.
dude, think about it, man. We just won that.
Okay, yeah.
And
okay, so
but it did what I predicted it to do. I mean, I was right.
yeah, I think we're gonna be right a lot of times, and I think that we should just stick with the strategy. Just find big
It's just a
turnarounds.
good, it's just a good solid strategy. We're hitting, it hits levels. It, on days when it obeys them, we win. And so, and with that, I am back in the profit. I'm now at 1902.66, so I'm up a couple dollars from
Okay,
where.
and so technically we can go for it. Okay, so yeah, we're in the profit. With that, we should be in the profit by $3.
Yeah, roughly. Yeah, I was because I started at 1902 cents, and now I'm at 1902.66.
Yeah, we're by $3. Okay, so now
We
Oh,
are
I-
$44 trade again.
why don't I hear myself in your
What?
headphones?
I don't know. I haven't changed anything.
Okay, hold on. No, we're gonna look at this main sheet. So we're back to a $44 trade.
Mm-hmm.
I freaked out.
All right. I'm glad that's ended, and at least we. Oh my gosh! AEDCNY, AEDCNY, AEDCNY. Look at this freaking! It's about to hit that level up there. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Do you want me to take that?
Not right now. I mean,
No, I mean if it makes it to the top of that peak up there, do you want me to take the?
take a 1 minute call up there. If it makes
Call?
it back up there.
You mean a
Or
put?
Yeah, take a 1 minute put. If it jumps up there like with some, it's already kind of burned. I don't know if it's going to.
I don't know if it's going to, but it's the perfect setup.
It's
if it
not
does.
going to.
But I don't think it's going to. It hit. Well, I think what happened is, do you see the big wick before that big
This
peak?
one. Yeah, this is a peak too.
It hit
obviously.
that other peak, and the
is a
RSI
peak.
pretty much touched. So I think that was it. I
That's
think
way
it's
out.
done.
This is too volatile anyway. Look at these. I don't trade on charts like this. I mean, you did in the 5 seconds, but like honestly, I'd rather see a smooth ride up to the line like we've been seeing. I don't like that.
Okay, here's another possibility.
Because
but
all that silliness that you just showed me, that's like
look
dude,
at
that could-
Oddcat. Okay, this is there's a solid set of lines there. One line across.
Okay,
the top.
yeah, no, that one's a little better. That one's climbing up. It's got a big line right up here. That's a big line. If it pops up there, you can take a 1 minute put from if it hits that line. Don't wait for the close of a candle, but if it hits that line that I've got on my screen, and you see that top wick, if it hits that top wick, take a 1 or 2 minute. I mean, I guess you're taking 1 minute. So that's fine.
Yeah, no, I do
But,
worry about part of my strategy is the close of the candle, but I get
I don't understand how that matters if it goes up there and touches that line.
well because like in our last trade that we won by the skin of our teeth,
yeah, well,
it
it
'cause
overextended.
it overextended, but you're still allowing because it was a green candle.
The only thing it would do is it stops you from entering on an accidental breakthrough. Like if it's going to break through and you wait a minute, a second, or wait 20 seconds, like, oh crap, it shot up there. That one we wouldn't have entered because it broke through and we would have thought, nope, it broke. And we would have probably not entered.
Well,
right?
I would have hit no, because I would have hit the button right when that candle ended. I wouldn't have
Okay.
known what the next candle was going to do, that it was going to go over. So this one is spent. It did not do what I thought it was.
No, well, I don't know because it's
If
on this line.
if it's already relieved like that, it doesn't. Remember, like I said, okay. Odd CHF. I don't know.
Well,
What
it didn't go all the way up. Yeah, you're right. It didn't go
odd
all the way up.
CHF is. Look at that. Do you see odd CHF?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but
These
I
are
don't
some
know.
big lines, dude.
It's already kind of spent. This candle right here is the determining candle, and it's already red. So I'm kind of not.
Because yeah, that one was an RSI touch already. So that
And
RSI in the 30 seconds touched on that touched a second ago, and then that was a perfect RSI touch. I mean, that for in the 30-second range, but it's already spent.
it is, yeah.
So actually, I can look, if we're doing this, I'm looking at 30-second candles because
All right.
then I get a 1-minute trade. That's 2 candles. That gives me 2 candles. I mean, and I
Yeah.
look at 30-second RSIs all the time.
Okay.
Euro NZD, dude. That's too late. We're too late. It's touching right now. It's about ready to flip, but it's not really at a line yet. The line is down here.
Okay.
You see it?
I see it. Yeah, but it hasn't touched. The RSI is not touched in the 1 minute.
Well, in the 1 minute,
And it's headed there.
Okay, yeah. This could be it. This could be it. If it
I'm going
gets
to wait
down,
for that very bottom line, or do you want to?
no,
take
just
that
this
low?
one right here. This one right here that it's going for. It's probably going to flip early though. Just wait. If it's that black line that I got drawn, you could probably take it because that's where it's bouncing off of. The problem is when I look at 30-second RSIs, the 30-second RSI already touched.
Well, see, the RSI has not touched in 1 minute, and I'm thinking if it's going to go down, I'm thinking it's going all the way to that very bottom. That's my guess. I think it's gunning for that very bottom, and that's kind of what I want to wait for it to touch.
I don't think it's going all the way down there. That was an anomaly. See, it went down there once, but it stopped here and here. This black line that I have drawn is really your strength, I think. I mean, that's my gut, but we don't have to.
Because I don't have the RSI touch, and I don't think it's going to touch until it hits that very bottom.
Well, I guess you could just wait until it does touch the RSI.
Because I want to see that touch.
The problem is it already touched in the 30-second, and here's where Christian's method confuses me. The 30-second RSI touch will touch and jump before the 1 minute, and I think I started confirming 1 minute before. When I started getting better at the RSI, I realized that if the 1 minute hasn't touched yet, then you're probably too early. So that's why he would lose a lot.
The candle is closing red.
Yeah, wait for it to touch.
I think it's gonna and see, that's the thing. I don't know. It didn't. I mean, it didn't fully touch, but it came close. But this could have been.
Now it untouched. See, that's what I'm saying. I think it. This one's burned because if it goes down now, it's probably going down to where you said. It's probably going down to here. This line is. The problem is with the RSI touches, sometimes that was close enough. It was close enough to be a touch, but it wasn't sort of like.
But with that other line down there, I didn't know, because you don't know is it going all the way to there. It's not safe unless really, because I'm looking for major lines, and that bottom one is the major line. The other one is just a candle wick. I mean, it's a.
You're right. Well, let's watch it. Maybe it'll go down there. Maybe it will.
Yeah, this candle hasn't closed yet. It hasn't closed green yet. I think. Yeah. And it's going to close red probably. Look at that. It's still pushing down.
Yeah, just watch it because it might have like and be ready on the button because it might just shoot down there. It might shoot. That would be the perfect thing if it shot right now, just like a giant red candle.
I mean, now it could break it as well, but I don't know.
Let's see. Well, when I look at this in 10. Yeah, no, that's a massive line it's sitting on. In the 10-minute, that's a massive line, dude.
That bottom one?
All right, get ready because it's going back now.
Show me the 10-minute.
Oh, dude, you don't want to see it. It's huge. Look, 10-minute line, this line goes forever.
Oh, okay.
That's a big line. So if it gets down there, I would just if you want to gamble your 1 minute, or if you want
to take a 2, we could take.
Yeah, I want to take like a 2 minute. If it gets down to that line, then
because that's a line that I could trust to.
Yeah,
2 or even a 3, but
right, because if it gets down there, it could just fart around a little bit. But
do you want me to take 3?
Yeah, 2 or 3 is fine. If it hits that line, we're going to be.
If it hits that line, I don't think it's going to.
Yeah, I would say it's going to hit that line, dude. Look at it; it's trying.
Yeah,
but it's got up pressure. It
wants
to go up.
Yeah. Okay, but ultimately, I think it's going to push down to there. Right now, it's actually exactly at the bottom of that wick.
Yeah, but it's going to break. It's going to break it, I think. Because see, it rejected twice or 3 times almost, but still.
I think it's going to push down hard and hit that line, and I'm going to tap it when it does.
Yeah. It's winding up right now. I think it's going to break down there right now. Touch it, and then a 3-minute.
Ready?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Wait till it actually gets there.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. 1, 2,
there you go.
Boom. There we go. We're in. Okay.
That's a 3 minute. Okay,
It's
so
a
that's
3
good.
minute. Yeah. So we got some time on that. And
I
the
mean, that's like
RSI touched exactly. So
yeah, and this is fine if it plays down here a little bit and just obviously
I'd
it
like it
worked
to
really hard to
close
get there.
above that line. That would be nice. So
There it
that
goes.
way,
There it goes.
yeah. Okay. All right. All right. All right.
Yeah, it worked really hard to get down there, so I'm not so worried that it plays a little bit there because it's like, oh, I got down here, and then it's like, no, yeah, but
Even if it consolidates, it's going to consolidate above our line
you're right. Even it's going to consolidate on the top
because
side.
we got kind of the lowest point, and the candle closed above our line.
Yeah,
The next
because that
candle
line's
opened
massive.
above. So
Yeah, I mean that's the only thing, dude. Without confirmation, this is the only way we can trade. If we're looking for confirmations, then it's a whole different game. But honestly, I mean, we know that in these small snipey trades, it's going to obey or not. You know what I mean? And
Right.
we have enough wins and losses in our game plan. We only have to be right, 30, 40% of the time, and we're going
right.
to be
Right.
fine. So a 1 minute trade would have won.
It would have. Yeah. But you never know.
Because at this level, you don't know that it's not going to just go down another candle or two and then shoot back up. So it could have gone down here, like overextended, and then jumped way back up. So see, that's massive up pressure, dude. That is it saying, I'm not going back up. I'm not going back down. I think we'll win this one because that's really, really
Yeah.
far away. Look at the 30-second. Look at that big.
Oh,
It
wow.
jumped,
Yeah.
it jumped off
way up.
that. Like, dude,
Whoa.
I've never even seen. Look at that's like a
Whoa.
massive. It's like a floating candle, bro. Look at that. Oh my
Holy
gosh,
crap,
dude.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Look at it in the 1 minute. It's just as. Is that what that was?
That was 30 seconds. But look at that, dude. It like gapped up.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
hopefully it goes up. Yeah, dude, I think oh
I can
whoa.
keep going. Whoa,
Dude,
dang,
look
look
at
at
that thing. That's like gapping up so hard. We got 1 minute left. So hopefully it doesn't
Exactly 150.
I don't think it's gonna gap down. I think it's gonna go. Okay, so now we're at another line though. Be careful looking at this. This is another line.
Whoa.
Oh, just pierced that line too. Oh, that's a
Dang.
huge candle. The only way we could know that though is
Whoa. It's still going. Dang.
It's going
Woo.
high. All right, we got 40 seconds.
This one would be an anomaly if we lost it.
Oh yeah, it would be. Well, this is an anomaly win, dude. I don't think I've ever won an
Yeah.
RSI snipe this big, dude. That's massive.
Pretty massive.
Dude, look at that candle. It's out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Look at these little candles all down here. Little. Then this giant
That's
candle.
what I'm saying. To me, like, resistance points and RSI touches are just powerful, easy wins. I mean, most of the time.
Yeah,
You know.
right. Especially this line because we were
Okay,
tempted.
so just 3, 2, 1, and that's all she wrote. Boom. Okay.
There we. Oh, I heard the cha-ching.
Okay, so for the first time, we are 1 net win into this thing.
Yeah. Okay. So complete. Done. Show notes.
Yeah.
And we'll call this. I don't know how I fix it. Oh, we don't have to do anything. We just put done. Okay. So we've cleared level 1.
Until we lose the next trade, and then
Well, then as soon as we martingale it, we'll be back to level 2. We're never going backwards.
right.
I mean, like in terms of
Well, we could only go down 2 trades from here maximum without going into our martingale. So if we lose the next one, okay, then we would be right back where we started.
right.
But then
And
we'd
then
take
we
another
win the-
trade.
If we lost that
then-
one, then we'd martingale. We will get this one back. Yeah, we won't. Leaving one on the table doesn't mean anything. It just means that
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, it means you'll get it back. Yeah. So we're
You'll
not
get it
going
back.
backwards. Yeah. Yeah.
you
Right.
will, the win will just get it back. The win won't push us
Right,
forward.
right. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
What's up? Oh, okay. I'll call. Yeah, call me. My wife is out the door.
Okay.
Dude, that was.
that
I'm
was,
done, dude. My brain's fried. That was
that
too
was a
much.
big one. Do you
excitement.
want to leave it at that?
Yeah, I just want to be done.
Okay.
don't you?
I'm okay with
I
calling
mean,
it.
let's just take
win
our win,
day.
dude. My head feels like. I mean, that was so.
That was a beautiful win. I mean,
It was
that
a
was
beautiful win, and the first win. Well, and we kind of broke our rules. I guess we kind of broke our rules, didn't we? Because
We did, but we also established a strategy. And once
Oh,
we
then we went.
decided, okay, this is the strategy we're using when we trade together, then we came back and we won 2 trades in a row with it.
Okay, yeah, you're right. We're at $43 profit total
Okay.
for the
Well,
week. I mean, that's not bad, dude, for the week. I
That's
mean, we actually won Monday, Tuesday,
we
Wednesday.
also figured out how we're trading exactly.
I'm okay with this, dude. I think that we can change the time frame. Like for
We
that
could have won
trade,
that in 1 minute or 3. I mean, 3
yeah,
minutes.
I
won,
think
but
if we know it's a huge line and we know that the charts are moving slow and there's a possibility it could break through, then we could take a longer trade because it's a massive line. So even if it broke through, because charts do overextend, this could have went down to here and then it could have
Right.
went boom.
Yeah.
But we could have lost it when it overextended. So that's why I think taking a little bit longer sometimes. Sometimes though, this looks like it's only going to hit this and it's going to
pull back for a minute and then it's going to keep going.
Yeah, but if it's like a massive 10-minute line, I don't mind taking a 2-minute, 3-minute trade, whatever, just something to get it off the bottom.
Yeah,
especially with that position.
It does kind of make a difference as to what the the 10-minute is doing and stuff.
Right. I mean, look at that in 10 minutes, dude. That's pretty much just massive. Now, if this was more of a chart that was bouncing up and down, I'd be like 3 minutes is too long. You can look at the chart and see, oh yeah, 3 minutes is too long because 3 minutes it could go down there and jump back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap, dude. I feel like garbage.
Well, that should. I want to end on a hopeful note, and that was it. So.
Well, we ended our first week in profit. That's what we can say. Because we're probably not trading tomorrow.
Right.
Or we can. I mean, we can, but like, probably not. But
I got a lot going on. I got to work tomorrow and stuff. So.
Okay, so we ended our first week in the profit. I mean, that's something, right?
It is something. Yeah.
We completed level 1. I mean, it took us a whole week, but we were always safe. That's the other thing. We were safe. We completed level 1. We have $44 profit, and sometimes the what you say in binary options is, well, I'm only down $400,
Yeah.
So, I mean, we don't have to say that. All right, I'm going to roll the outro.